Hello my natural kings and queens, you all are welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time of stopping by, you're most welcome to this amazing family. And for my returning subscribers, you all have been so kind to me for your likes, your comment, and also for your encouragement. So guys, in today's video I will be doing our carrot oil for amazing hair growth, moisture, and also to retain length. Carrot is a very good supplement for your hair, and also an essential oil that you can use. So let's get right into the video.
I gave you my heart.
So for this amazing DIY, I will be going in with 3 whole carrots, which is the main ingredients for this DIY. So I'm going in with 3 medium sizes of carrots, and the next ingredients we'll be having is our pure coconut oil and the extra virgin olive oil, and the last ingredient we'll be having is our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant protection, which is so amazing for your skin and your hair. So I'll be adding in some of it in my carrot oil for today's DIY. So stay tuned and let's get right into this video. As you can see, I'm done grating my carrots, and for this recipe I'll be going in with the double boiling method, which is the best for making your carrot oil, because you do not want to fry your carrots directly into the hot oil, because it's gonna kill most of the nutrients found in your carrot. For the double boiler method, you need to make sure you put in your cups of water. I wasn't really precise on the amount of water that I put in the pot, but you need to make sure it's not too much, like 3 cups of water. And then you go in with what you'll be using for your double boiler method. I'm going in with my mini pot, as you can see in the video, but you can go in with like a bowl or a glass jar or anything that you're using for this method. So now I'm going in with some amount of olive oil, which is the first ingredient I'll be putting in the DIY. I'll just put like a cup of olive oil in that, and also I'm going in with my coconut oil, but I'm not putting it so much of coconut oil because I want my olive oil to be like the actual base that I'll be using for this recipe. So when I'm done putting my coconut oil, I will then let the oil to heat up for a while before I go in with my carrot. You need to make sure the oil is heated for like a couple of minutes before you go in with your carrot, to make the whole process easy for you. So now I'm just going in with my carrots. I'll add in there with that in the oil. Carrots improve blood circulation to the scalp. It protects the hair from exterior damages like climate, and it also gives your hair that shine, making it smooth and prevents hair loss and damage, and it also combats graying. So those are some of the benefits of carrot oil to the hair. I'm now using my wooden spoon to stir the carrot generously. You need to make sure you stir it time to time as it keeps heating up in the oil. You stir it time to time and making sure you have the right temperature. Like I said earlier, you need to have your flame on low. It's been over 15 minutes and my carrot is still on the stove. So I'm gonna let this simmer for about 20 more minutes. Then I will turn off my stove and let it cool down, and that will be the end of our carrot oil. Our carrot oil is now ready, and I'll just go ahead now and turn off my stove and let this oil cool for about 1 hour. I'll just drain it. This is now the final process, and the last ingredient will be our vitamin E oil, like I said earlier. So I'll be adding in 3 vitamin E capsules. It's in a capsule form. I couldn't really find the oil, but this is still good to go. So I will just put in my vitamin E oil into my carrot oil. see that drop? I just dropped that in. So guys, our carrot oil is now ready to be used. We finally come to the end of this video and hope you found this video useful. Do not hesitate to try this amazing DIY for your hair growth, to avoid split ends, to really give you that length you've been always wanting to have. So do your own carrot oil today and thank me later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to hit that red subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when next I upload another video. See you all again in my next video. Bye.